Welcome to this demo of Agentic AI for SAP Business One. Here, we'll see how SAP Copilot simplifies creating a purchase goods return. The user instructs Copilot to create a new purchase goods return. Copilot instantly opens the goods return form and guides the user step by step. The user first selects the requester or buyer, followed by the due date. Copilot opens the item matrix for product code selection. The system automatically fills in the item description. The user specifies the requested quantity, price, discount percent, and adds any necessary remarks or additional lines if required. Once the user reviews and confirms all details, they click Add to post the goods return. Copilot confirms the purchase request in SAP Business One with speed and accuracy. This demonstrates the power of Agentic AI, making the procurement process faster, smarter, and fully guided inside SAP Business One. Thank you for watching this demonstration of goods return using SAP Copilot.